In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or update your email signature in Outlook, a handy tool for personalizing your email communications and conveying professionalism with each message you send. Whether you're adding a new flair to your professional emails or simply starting fresh, setting up your email signature in Outlook is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. First, let's open up Outlook and head straight to the settings. Once you've got Outlook open, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon, that's your settings menu. Give it a click to reveal some options. Now, you'll see a link for View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. We're going to dive a bit deeper here, so go ahead and click on that link. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll be presented with a variety of options on the left side of your screen. You'll want to navigate to the section labeled Mail. It should be right at the top of the options panel. Now click on it to expand more choices. From here, you'll see Compose and Reply. Click on this, and it will bring up the space where you'll be working on your email signature. In the main section on the right, you'll find a box specifically for your email signature. This is where the magic happens. Do you have a new signature you're eager to use, or maybe you have one saved from a previous setup? Whether you're typing it out or copying and pasting, this is the area you'll be focusing on. If you're crafting a new signature, consider including your name, position, company, and contact information. It's also nice to add a closing phrase or motto to give it a personal touch. Remember to keep the design professional, so consider fonts and colors that reflect your personal or company branding. If you decide to include an image or logo, make sure it's of good quality and doesn't exceed size limitations. Once your signature looks just right, you'll want to ensure your changes are saved. This is very important, otherwise you might lose all the work you just put in, so check for the Save button. It's usually at the bottom of the settings panel. Give that a save click, and there you go. Your new signature is set and ready to make an impression every time you send an email. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your email signature in Outlook, adding a professional and personal touch to each of your emails. Feel free to adjust anytime you want to refresh your signature or update your contact information. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials.